Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on this inbox icon. So after that you will see this interface. As you can see, is my situation, there is no people with stories, but actually it doesn't matter in this video. So actually if you open someone's story, this person will receive a message about it. So if you don't want people to know about it, the first thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then in this interface you need to disable Wi-Fi and then enable airplane mode. After that you need to open someone's story, watch this story, and after that you need to go back to this inbox page. Then you need to close your TikTok application. Then in this home page you need to swipe down from the top right corner again and then disable airplane mode and enable Wi-Fi, for example. After that you can open TikTok application again, and then everything will be done. So, and that's all, and that's how to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.